My house is so dirty, there's stuff everywhere. I was going to say, to be rude and say shit, but that's not very nice, is it? We have to be polite when we're a lady. So I'm going to be vacuuming, but before I vacuum, I'm going to do two things. First of all, remove my long top, because that's going to get in my way, and then I may have issues. So I've got this top, which is very nice, and I was going to wear something on my hands, which is not my normal rubber gloves, if I can find them, and I think they are in here. Yes. I think you might approve, or not. You may not like those. What do you think? Nice leather gloves. Leather vacuuming. You might as well enjoy them because they are a bit small. So soon I won't be able to wear them for the winter. There's no sound to them. They are leather on the outside and polyester. No, it's woolly, sort of wool on the inside. They're very nice gloves. Excellent. So that's my treat tonight, is to do it with such gloves. Look at it. Did you see my other video? No, you haven't seen it because it's on private, but I published this video. You may find out what happened to those gloves. I was doing a special video for a very nice subscriber who sent me some funds for a new pair, and he said, can you just rip the ends? And they were so tough, I could not rip them. So, I'm going to vacuum them. Henry is going to be very busy tonight. I may even have to change the bag at some point, because there's a lot to vacuum. There really is mess everywhere. We're going to start with the lounge, so you will follow me, hopefully, and hopefully you might enjoy what we are about to do. Henry does not like that. Another one gone. Enough for now of those, because there's a lot of mess to vacuum. no good. That's nice. Nice and clean now. Again. Without my shoes now, because there's something in my shoes. I can feel it, in fact. It's a bit of dust here as well. Right, let's check the sofa, even though I haven't got the brush. Sorry, hands on the brush. Yes, that's pretty clean today. Let's look at the other side. Just to check. So my trousers are falling down. Not very nice, is it? Falling down trousers. Oh dear, that seems to be, there's some mess from before here. What was that? Buttons, pretty Lego. And the sock, no, what else? Come on, Henry. I'll do a bit with this one. Oh. Oh no! The sock's just been swallowed. That's a bit much. Legos up there. It will be one of my subscribers, probably Marcelo. I don't want your toys under my sofa, they're going to get all sucked up. And just like the other person with his little bits of tanks, they're all getting swallowed also. All over your windowsill, all over your shelves, I'm going to come and get your little bits of tanks. Like that. Oh, not a button. That's it, that's done. Oh, and another one here. Still making a mess under my sofa, I don't know. Now let's go to the kitchen because Henry wants to set up those rubber gloves. Oh, the gloves in here. He's done. Someone's left lots of mess on my table. I think Henry is a bit full. He's not very, it's a bit weak. I wonder if the bag needs changing. I will change the bag. And you can look at the contents if you want with my rubber gloves, I mean leather gloves. And yes, oh, I forgot to vacuum those gloves there. Shall I do those first? Then we can open the bag. Because we need a clean bag really. Oh dear, look at the messes there. I told you my house was a mess. That says I've got any more. I do. There it comes. Look. That's tasty for Henry. Now I should really change the bag because sounds a bit full, Henry. I tell you what, I'll finish the kitchen and then I'll go upstairs. Oh dear, what's going on here? Look. Someone's left me a mess. Look at all these vegetable peelings. Oh, and look over there as well. Oh, my house is messy today. It should be lovely after this is done. And before you ask, no, I am not vacuuming a banana. No, no, no. I finished the kitchen and the porch, and then we go upstairs. Just checking because I don't want to put any dust on my newly vacuumed, excellently vacuumed floor. Look at that dirty socks, very dirty socks. Lucky I've got Tina today to help me. Thank you, Tina. She's come to rescue me from a very dirty house. I'm vacuuming really fast. Tina tells me to slow down. Oh, she can't follow me. I'm like the speedy vacuumer. But I'm vacuuming really fast because I'm hungry and it's my dinner time. And I don't think Tina has eaten either. No, she might be hungry. This is for my car in case it's snowing, because it's getting so warm nowadays that it's only like 10 degrees and 5 degrees in Alsace. So because of global warming, which means we'll have a very cold winter, we might need the snowshoes. the mealworm is gone behind, is hiding behind the cupboard. Oh dear! Oh no, I'm not vacuuming them, it's a waste. Come on, mealworms. I leave the spider because she's eating the mosquitoes. And all these bloody flying mosquitoes are probably Bill Gates' GMO mosquitoes. I won't say anymore or my video will be censored. Let's have a look over here if we have any. There's plenty of mess here. Right, I think that's it for now. We can go upstairs in a minute. We'll do upstairs and we'll do it on a separate video. Oh, yes, there is something I'd forgotten. I'm so excited in having a clean house. You want to see the bag contents, don't you? It's so easy to forget those things. I need you to repeat it again and again in the comments. Can you vacuum socks? Can you vacuum knickers? Can you do vacuuming? Tina when she's going upstairs, all that. Oh, look at that, it's so full. These are all the carrot tops propping out the bags there. Oh, poor carrot tops, they deserve better than that. Oh no, I've put some on the floor. Good job I've got my good leather gloves so I don't get dirty. Shall we open the bag to see what's in there? Let's open it from the end. It's very dusty. Don't get your nose near the camera. Oof. Oh dear. Oh, this is very dusty. Can you see? Oh no, but it says there's even a plastic bag there. That's nice, isn't it? It goes in the bin. Ugh. That's it, bye bye. I could empty it, couldn't I? But you won't be able to see unless I move the bin. Oh no, it's so dusty. I need to vacuum. Let's leave it settle. I'll show you in a minute. Oh, I know. I'll get to torch just a minute. Oh no, I forgot a big piece of shit on the floor. Where's that coming from? That's not right, is it? Look at that. Oh, it's dusty. Look at all the dirty Legos at the bottom. They're going in the bin properly. That's bye-bye the Legos. I've got a piece of bag, rubber gloves. It's all very nice, isn't it? Lovely. Next upstairs.